Derivatives Trading 101. Leverage in contract trading. Leverage is a common financial tool. It amplifies investments through the margin mechanism. With leverage, risks and returns are both amplified. After using leverage, the profit and loss of investors are decided not by the amount of margin, but by the amount of notional value after leverage amplification. For example, when BTC market price is $5,000, John uses 1 BTC as margin. He chooses 10 times leverage and enters into a long position that is worth 10 BTCs. If BTC market price rises by 1%, i.e. from $5,000 to $5,050, then the profit of this contract position is 0.099 BTC. With 10 times leverage, John uses $5,000 to gain $500 profits in the contract market. If he chooses 1 times leverage, with 1 BTC as margin, he can enter into a long position that is worth only 1 BTC. When the BTC market price rises to $5,050, his profit is 0.0099 BTC, earning only $50. Comparing 10 times with 1 times leverage, there is a 10-fold variation in terms of profits gained by John. Note that leverage amplifies both profits and losses. With leverage higher than 1, you can earn more if you are right on the market direction. You can also lose more if you are wrong. Through the margin mechanism, investors can use leverage to trade large notional value with only a small amount as the margin. Now, you understand the effect of leverage in contract trading.